Names of the mushrooms?
Yes, I can tell you.
Please.
German, Steinpilz.
Yes.
Wo haben wir denn noch?
Marone.
Marone.
Mobile phone here.
And what's this say?
This is just say that you can take a picture out of this heart.
Okay.
This is exactly what it's saying.
Okay. And in the woods here is just for like, and it's just for a pig farm in the middle of the forest.
No, normally, I mean before 6 months, the what is the name? The pigs came out and you can.
What is it like to live here in Germany?
It's good life.
It's good life.
Yeah.
And
Main marketplace
Okay.
from the Middle Ages,
Yeah.
14th century.
oh,
This is from the.
how you doing, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing great, buddy.
How is business here in Nurnberg?
It's okay, I can't complain.
How long you been here?
I've been with this business 30 good years of this bridge. Yeah.
Gentleman here is just setting up the table for us. That is it.
Main marketplace
Okay.
from the Middle Ages,
Yeah.
14th century.
Oh,
This is from the 15th century, this building,
okay.
and this church also, and other buildings also. But
Okay.
it was very much destroyed
Okay.
in the Second World War.
Yeah.
It was all burned down,
Right.
and the whole area, the whole city.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so what's this here?
This is a fountain.
Fountain.
It was a fountain. Now, yeah, a little bit water is still coming out.
Yes.
It was a fountain because this was a market, and the market people needed water.
Okay.
So they built this fountain.
So this
very
is
beautiful.
so here is like a very old part of Germany.
Yes, very old.
So
yes.
what would you call this community? This area?
This is the old city from Nurnberg.
Oh, this is the old
Nuremberg.
city of Nurnberg.
Yes.
Okay. And the church here, what do they use the church for? For worship?
Yes, it is still used for worship.
Okay.
Catholic Church.
Okay.
And every Sunday, no, not every day there is a mass,
Okay.
holy mass.
Yes.
But you can go in and visit and look.
Even now?
Even now it's open. Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
So it's like this town, this part of Nurnberg is like a spiritual place. It has a lot of
Yes.
religious belief.
Yes, this is a church. Yes, it is a religious and spiritual place. Yes, and not far from here, in this area more, there is a Jewish little cemetery.
Okay.
Jews, because the German Hitler has
Yeah.
killed all Jewish people in this town in Germany,
Yeah.
and big tragedy here, and
Okay.
spiritual too.
Yes. So it has a lot of history that's significant for the whole world.
Yes.
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 Because this is where like World War One and World War Two.
Yes.
This is
began.
this
yes.
is this is where it begun.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Nice that you come here. I like it that you come here to visit Germany.
Yes.
And,
Germany is
for
nice.
How long are you?
So we flew in yesterday.
It looks like a bit of nature around here. Local nature walk. Just gonna go to that point over there and see what I go on. Okay, you know, it's a Ringo Vision. Love a bit of nature, but like I said, it seems like where I am in Germany right now, I'm in a real country part of town. I'm not gonna go too much and too far in here, but it seems like, yeah, we're in a forest. There is a forest here and it leads to somewhere. You understand? But a good vibes, people. Let's walk up a bit more, I can hear some voices. It actually seems like a forest where you can just actually get yourself lost in there. But yeah, man, good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, just wandering through a German forest. I don't know what I'm gonna see in here. I don't know what I'm gonna find. I'm just gonna take a quick stroll through. A good vibe. It's good to just see the difference, you understand? We're outside, taking a bit of nature in a Germany, people. This is somewhere where I would have literally come to somewhere like here and camp out, or even look to see if there's a river in there somewhere, maybe some fishing. In the summertime, I could imagine a place like this in the summertime must be absolutely amazing. You understand? Upon them walks here, taking them walks here in Germany. And remember, marijuana is also legal in Germany. So the Bob Marley thing, you're good to go. You understand? You understand? You can find your values out here, people, yeah? Good vibes. Just have to take a walk through. I don't know where I'm gonna end up, but I've tied myself into the journey now because I've walked in and wow, what's that? How about that? There's a building in the background. I don't know what that building is. There's people walking through as well. So it seems like it's a safe place where you can actually be. I'm just taking a random walk. You understand? Good vibes. Guided and protected by the Most High. Loved by nature. Give thanks to Mother Earth. You understand? Able to come to Germany. Understand? And I'll touch a tree in Germany. Good vibes. One love, people. We're outside. That is it. It seems like to the end of this pathway, I'm gonna end up somewhere. Don't know where I'm gonna end up, but let's see, people, yeah? Good vibes. This way?
Genau hier.
Okay. And how far? How long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I come out of the pathway, people. I landed into a neighborhood. All right, we're here now. All right, good vibes. Let's climb this hill and keep going, people, yeah? Germany kind of reminds me of the Caribbean, the way the houses them are situated as well. You understand? Yeah, man, look at even this house here, coming like something that you would see back home in the Caribbean. Yeah, good vibes. So Germany's got some nice places here. It looks like it's a very relaxing place to be. Let's keep climbing. We're coming from down there, yeah, and we was also inside of these woods here. I think that's the building that I could see from inside. Let's walk up and see Wagwan. So there's forest on either side to me. Go to the other side of the road. So I was in the forest on that side of the road. Now I've come out of the forest and I'm walking to the top just to see. The guy said I could have walked through, but I think I'm not really dressed for the weather like this or for the woodland and the mud. I just think, say, it's good to just take this route here, the in-between, the dry concrete. You understand, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Okay, so there's a hotel up here. Wow. In the forest, in the woods, we have a hotel, a massive car park. We're gonna keep walking anyway. Our good vibes. More time, when you're on these adventures, you can't be too shy to find out where you're gonna end up, you know. Understand? You have to just work with your intuitions and just let yourself guide you. All right. I'm back into. This seems like it's a walking park. Wow. There's many routes now. Okay. I cannot understand any of the language, but I'll show you guys the map. This is the map here. You understand? We're somewhere. Where could I see where we are? Okay, but anyway, let's take a stroll through. Alright, so yeah, man, we're gonna keep walking. Remember the man down there with his lady, he said that there's something about pigs. So we're gonna keep walking. We're in the forest, people, yeah. I'm in Germany. We're on a mad thing right now. That is it. The adventures have started. Well, the adventures had begun. We've been on the journey, you understand? But like I said, stay tuned. We don't know what we're gonna see and we don't know where we're gonna go. You understand? But we're in Germany and I'm just showing you what I see, people, yeah? So just stay on the journey. That is it. So far, I haven't seen any homeless people. So far, I haven't seen any form of poverty driven amongst the people physically. Anybody living outside, anybody asking for money and things like that, or anybody sleeping rough. I haven't seen any of that. But we're on a mission, people said. We remember the mission is to rekindle with humanity, spread the love. It's a oneness, you understand? Our good vibes. Don't forget to what? All right, that is it. We outside, man. What's it like living in Germany?
Well, it's like kind of bullshit and kind of great at the same time.
Yeah.
Because we have so much paperwork to do to get anything done.
Right.
But it also, it's fun. You can do everything. You have like huge freedom here.
Okay, is there a homeless population here?
Oh yeah, yeah. We have a big problem. It's not a problem, but we have many people who live on the streets or are close to living on the streets, and that's.
Would I see that in here in Nurnberg?
Yeah, you will definitely see some people sleeping on benches or on the floor. It's like, yeah, okay. It makes me sad all the time.
Is there like a food bank that's supplying food for the homeless here?
Yeah, there are stuff where where homeless people can go and get food for free, but it's like those places are overrun.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, they can't supply all the people.
If there was one thing you'd advise people they can do here in Germany, what is it to have fun?
Oh man, that's a tough question.
It's tough? Okay,
yeah.
Let me ask you the next one. What do you do for fun?
Well, drugs and clubbing.
Okay. You smoke?
Yeah.
I've seen that weed is legal over here.
Yeah, but you have to be careful in Bavaria.
Yeah.
They are like fuck weed.
Okay.
They don't like it, but It's legal in Germany now, yeah.
Okay. Thank you a lot for your time, yeah?
Yeah, no problem,
respect.
man.
Bless.
Bye, have a great day.
Yeah. Good vibes, people. Germany, that is it. The people are absolutely amazing out here. Yeah, man. People eating, day out. I think this is where they said that the pig farm is, but I can't actually see any pigs. But I see a big ring, like this is somewhere that pigs will actually live. But I see nothing. We haven't seen any Peppa Pig yet. Excuse me, where do you see the are there pigs here?
Yeah, over there.
On the far side?
Yeah, in the front and turn right.
Okay.
All the way through, and at the end of this area,
Yeah?
there are the pigs.
Okay, thank you. All right, this is a pig pen in the middle of the forest. All right. Wow. Before we go there, I see these people here walking this way, so this looks interesting. This looks very interesting. This is like an outdoor shelter, like a big tent that looks like it would have been built by the locals. I'm gonna go inside quickly just to get that experience, you guys. Yeah, man, let's go inside together. Ah, wow. Okay. This is something like a friend of mine's bushcraft tools. This is something like what he would have built down in his forest. Yeah, good vibes. Yeah, man, big up to bushcraft tools. I'll be coming to see you soon, mate. Good vibes. If you want to see more things like this on the channel, more adventures, more walks, more talks with Ringo, yeah, man, just put it in the comment section, everybody. Yeah, good vibes. I'm in a forest in Germany. I can't really pronounce much of the word because of the language barrier, but at the same time, I've ventured out on a walk. You understand? Good vibes. There's a lot of logs and trees here, but we're not going to go too far down in that direction because we was told that what we've come up here to look for is in this direction. Good vibes. It's all about togetherness, everybody. It's all about oneness, you understand, sharing positive vibes, positive energy amongst each and every one of us. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that are on the journey, that are on the mission. Some of you have actually donated. You guys have bought super thank yous and sent gifts through from the channel. All of this, what happens, it helps Ringo Vision to continue on the mission, and it helps me to grow in the sense of going further and helping more people that is in need, not just here in the UK where I've been, but across the whole globe, everybody. Yeah, so if you're watching this video is for you. You understand? Good vibes. Hey, was you picking some fruits?
Pilze, yeah.
Oh wow, you got mushrooms?
Yes.
Yes.
And they're all edible?
All are edible.
Are they magic or just normal mushrooms?
Pardon?
Are Are they magic mushrooms or normal?
No, normal.
Normal. Okay.
Yes, okay.
And you can you eat now?
Yes,
You can eat?
cook.
You should not eat them rare.
Okay.
You should cook them.
Okay. And you was just foraging and you got mushrooms. Wow. And could you tell me some of the names of the mushrooms?
Yes, I can tell you.
Please.
German Steinpilz.
Yes.
Wo haben wir noch?
Marone.
Marone.
Mahuna.
Wie heißt der nochmal? Was hatte ich
Reizker.
gesagt? Edelreizker.
And they have different taste? Different...
Yeah.
Yes, we already ate them.
Okay.
Ob wir die schon getestet haben, ja.
Ja, wenn wir
this
sie
one?
gegessen haben, haben wir das ja.
What's
This
the...
is a lila.
Violetter Lacktrichterling.
Okay. And when you go home, you're gonna cook
Yes.
with like a stew?
With garlic
Yes.
and was heißt denn Speck?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Okay. Fry?
And-
You're gonna
yes.
fry? You gonna fry this? You know you're gonna fry the mushroom? You know in a
Yes,
pan?
in the pan.
Yes. Okay. Nice. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Ciao. Wow. Amazing. You can come in here and get mushrooms. Wow. That's amazing. If I lived up here, or I lived in Germany, I would definitely be coming to Germany to actually. Hey, how you doing? I'll be coming to. Hey, I found it.
Gut, ne?
I came from this way.
Ah ja, sehr stark. Wir sind von da gekommen.
Thank you very much for the direction.
Kein Stress.
Thank you. That's the guy that gave me the direction to come here, and I found it. Wow. Yes, everybody. So, yeah, man. This is it. Wow. So we're proper out here, and in the middle of the forest, there's actually a pig farm out here, people. Peppa Pig.
Mobile phone here.
And what's this say?
This is just say that you can take a picture out of this heart.
Okay.
This is exactly what it's saying.
Okay. And in the woods here, it's just for like, and it's just for a pig farm in the middle of the forest.
No, normally, I mean, before 6 months, the what is the name? The pigs came out and you can feed them with nuts, with spaghetti, with woods, all you have.
Yeah.
And actually, it looked like, but that time there wasn't thinking of to kill them and sell them.
Okay.
No, actually, it looked like because they put this one more around it. It looked like they really want to sell them for Christmas. So
Okay.
now you cannot go further and feed them. Now you have to throw your food inside.
Okay,
the cage
so
they
after
can-
Christmas, maybe they put fresh pigs there
Yeah.
for the rest of the year.
Yes. Normally there were up to 12 pigs in it.
Okay.
So actually, I myself, I'm a little bit shocked because actually it's just 4 or 5 of them. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
And you're wondering where they all disappeared.
Yes. So we suggest that they put them to sell because of the Christmas season.
Okay. What's this nature park called?
Filterwald,
Futa
Filterforst.
Futa Forest.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you
you're
very much.
welcome.
Thank you. Yes, everyone. So yeah, this is as the lady said and explained to us. There was a lot more pigs that were in here, but it seems like they've actually taken the pigs and they may be eating them for Christmas. As you can see that a lot of people have come up here just to come and see the pigs. You know, it's a Peppa Pig, naturally. Everybody's coming to see the Peppa Pig, Grandpa Pig, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig. Good vibes. Yeah, I enjoyed this walk, everybody. Yeah, we're gonna try to make our way through, venture through Sedway. If you like this walk here, put it in the comment section. Let me know what you think of Germany so far. We've done quite a few things. We've been on the roadside. We've managed to find a forest. So far, to me, Germany is absolutely a nice place. I enjoy it. I'll come back. So, good vibes. He was from this community. I guess this is This is a place where you probably come out with the kids, with the little ones, take them on that natural walk through nature, getting them to vibes and connect with the plants and the trees and also the wildlife which we have around us. So it's absolutely a good place to bring the kids. Look, as you can see, bike riding as well is also something that you could do here. A bit of hiking, a bit of walking. It's good. If you just wanted to come and get some natural fresh air, it's good. Hello. Hello. As you can see, look, the lady there, she's walking with her 2 sticks. It seems like she's doing a little bit of a long walk. You understand? Good vibes. Ringo Vision is on a long journey with us all. One love, everybody. I just wanted to record this so that we can see a bit of this. You understand? The sun bursting through the trees. Wow, how good vibes. Another small one of those tents, situated just on the side of the footpath here. Families are out today. Good vibes. You can see that you can come out here with the kids and take them for a walk, put their Wellington boots on. Look, little lady there's got her Wellington boots on. She's ready. She's ready for some hiking. Good vibes. Look, the children's them there. And as you can see, this must be a safe haven place for people. I didn't know what I was gonna get myself into or what we was gonna see on the journey. You understand? I didn't imagine that we was gonna get so many hikers and families out here and allowing their children to just be playful, like I said, and be in tune and get at one with nature. And we're missing a lot of that for our kids. Our kids need a lot more of this outdoor fun, running through the grasses. Do you understand? Getting a little bit muddy, not worrying if your finger's gonna get a little bit of dirt on there. Do you understand? It's all a part of living and it's all a part of life and the experience that we have to be at one with the earth. You understand? And with our planet. Our good vibes. You have to come here just to receive it. The life that we live, we just have to love it. Hey, these ones are revealing. Nothing to hide, nothing to sleep. Alright, that is it, people. Make a journey. You understand? Mission continue. A good vibes. Da, 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 da. Life are the greatest thing, yeah. And the children, them, are them just a ramp and are them just a play. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Look at that. This is life, people, yeah. And enjoy it because we are all on a magical journey. These children that we see out here enjoying themselves playing will grow and they will transform into young men and young women, and they will be significant figures of our world, of our universe. Their energies will be spreading, you understand? So we can't stop living, people. Guess what? Life are the greatest thing, yeah. Let me say, life are the greatest thing, yeah. So now make me share it, and you have to share it, and we have to share it, cause da 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 da. Let me say, you appreciate it, we appreciate it. Life are the greatest thing. Yeah. Alright, so rings back where I started. A good vibe, so go and check up on them and see what them are dealing with in this podcast. Remember I said you have to remember the Mustang. Alright, so see the Mustang there. Alright, we could chat through a good vibes, big up yourself people, yeah. That was a good little walk. That is it. How you doing, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing great, buddy.
How is business here in Nurnberg?
It's okay, I can't complain.
How long you been here?
I've been with this business 30 good years of this bridge. Yeah.
30 good years?
Yeah, 30 good
on
years.
this bridge?
On this bridge.
You must have seen everything here.
Yeah, that's right.
And I see that you're dealing with culture,
That's right.
arts
From
and
Ghana.
arts and from Ghana.
Yeah, from Ghana.
Here in Nurnberg.
Yeah, man.
And how do people gravitate to this?
Yeah, lovely.
Love it.
Lovely.
And what made you want to get into this?
Well, actually, I'm a businessman. I was born as a businessman.
Right.
So when I came here, I get to here's a tourist city, so I get to develop this kind of business here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's successful?
I can't complain. If not successful, how can I survive for 30 good years?
That's true.
This is the
That's
sign.
true. And the community here in Nurnberg, what's the community?
They're open. They are very, if you get open heart, you get it back.
Right.
But if you throw a ball against the wall, come back to
And
you.
I noticed that there's like a lot of church and cathedral places here.
yeah.
It's like a very historical place.
Nuremberg is very historic. One of the historic cities in the whole Germany.
Okay.
But that was the period that they started the Second World War. So they get a lot of history.
So
A lot
so
of
so
tradition.
the Second World War actually begun from this.
Started here. The guy started it from here.
Okay.
He was living here.
Could you tell me something about this place?
Well, actually, Nuremberg is an industrial city. Because of that's why you had the whole German. Here's the place where you got the Abbott market.
Right.
Here in Nuremberg. Because German, a lot of factories are in Nuremberg.
Right.
Here is where they started train. They make the train first in Germany. It was from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I know that they got a canal here, like the river.
Yeah, and this is it was before a church. It was before a hospital.
Okay.
They have the, and the guy who built his name was Conrad the Great.
Okay.
He built it free of charge for the poor people.
Right.
If you are coming, you don't pay nothing. But if you are high, you have to go to the church and pray for his family.
Right.
He couldn't have children, so when he died, he passed and he gave the city. So now all people live there in the downstairs restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're
Yeah.
welcome, brother.
Thank you, brother.
You're
Yeah.
welcome. One love.
One love. Good look of vibes there. A good look of history. Yeah, man. We're there as a people, yeah, and we're in Nurnberg. A good vibes.
I bought some to take home.
Ah, you bought some to take home? Okay, so don't eat here. Guys, if you don't mind,
Yeah.
I take a table.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
choose something. I will be in a minute.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
If you want to order, I just pick it up and then I come back soon. In a minute, I'm there.
All right, so our good vibes, big up yourself. So we've got a hardcover book for the menu, people. Yeah, let's flick through and see what we find on the menu here. That is look like a traditional thing over here, so. But I'll flick through. So we can find on the menu here, people. Yeah, good vibes. What do you feel to eat today, guys? Let me know what you feel to eat. Put it in the comment section. Have good vibes. Vibe. So made my order, crispy duck. Waiting to see what's gonna come out from the kitchen, everybody. Yeah, so our good vibes. Eating at a traditional German restaurant. So I'm looking forward for the meal today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the journey that we've been on so far, the vlog, the forest, different places that we've been. Just the natural walk through town, through Germany, just highlighting and viewing the place. I hope you guys have enjoyed the moment, the journey. You understand? That is it. Don't forget to do the right thing, people, yeah? And let me know what you guys think of walk and vlog, different areas, different communities, as well as we're on a mission, giving back to the local community and communities. And the agenda is to feed 1 million people, you understand? Let's not forget that, you understand, people, yeah? And well done to each and every one of us, because we've hit more than 8,000 people that we've fed so far. That's marvelous. That's marvelous. So yeah, man, let's continue on the marathon. Let's continue on the journey. That is it. What me say? Our good vibes. Gentleman here is just setting up the table for us. That is it. Yeah.
He's like, don't want it.
It's not enough.
So this one's beef wrap.
Beef wrap, yeah, there you go.
And then we've got a crispy duck over here. And we've got traditional sausages and what's
Nurnberg sausages.
This is like potato, I think.
No, that's a cabbage, yeah.
Cabbage.
sausage and cabbage.
Yeah. I swear that's potato.
Oh, come on. No, it's not.
Good vibes. Good place. Good vibes, good energy. Yeah, wow, look at this. All the meals being prepared over there, people. Good vibes, meals running out. That is it. Back on the outside again. Yeah, man, so a good vibes, people, a good day. Big up yourselves, everybody. Germany, this is it. I'm sure there's a lot more things you can do in Germany, a lot more places, you understand? But yeah, big up yourself. You're watching 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Don't come off of that channel there, people. A good vibes.
German.
Yes, people, our good vibes. So yeah, man, it's been marvelous today. We've got more things to do. Back to my room now. Is it? Big up on yourself, you know. Outside, I'm fully active. Yes, everybody, so this is where I'm at today. My things them there, my bag there. Good vibes, bathroom here. That is it. I've been on my foot all day. Glad to reach back in here still. That is it.